Part 1. Change engine oil. Take off the right maintenance cover. Unscrew and remove the oil dipstick. Tilt the generator to discharge the oil. Use the oil funnel to add 0.12 gallons new oil. Tighten the oil dipstick. Part 2. Drain the gasoline. Residual fuel need to be discharged for long-term storage. Turn the fuel switch to the on position. Loosen the drain bolt counterclockwise. Allow gasoline to drain into the container. Tighten the drain bolt clockwise. Part 3. Clean the air filter. Unscrew the bolts on air filter cover. Take off the air filter cover. Take out the sponge air filter element. Wash in household detergent and warm water. Use a cloth to slowly squeeze out excess water, then air dry naturally. Spray some engine oil on the filter element. Use a clean absorbent cloth to squeeze out excess oil. Place the air filter element in the assembly. Install the air cleaner cover. Install the maintenance cover. Part 4. Replace the spark plug. Remove the spark plug maintenance cover. Pull off the spark plug cap. Turn the spark plug wrench counterclockwise. Take the spark plug out. Install the new spark plug clockwise. Fasten the spark plug maintenance cover. Part 5. Clean the spark arrestor. Unscrew the screws and take off the muffler cover. Unscrew the screws and loosen the clamp. Pull the spark arrestor screen off the muffler exhaust pipe. Using a wire brush, remove any dirt and debris that may have collected on the spark arrestor. Install the spark collector filter back into the muffler. Unscrew the screws. Install the muffler guard and tighten the screws.